Hi guys, it is Dani and welcome to this updated video. I trust and hope you're doing great this evening. So we're definitely going to be talking about what is taking place across the Atlantic basin with focus being on the Caribbean. We can definitely see that we have all of this moisture continuing to move in associated with a trough. And a trough is an area of low pressure, and where we have these low pressure areas, we typically get a surge in moisture. It may be sporadic is what we're seeing now, and this continues to affect sections of the Windward Islands such as the Grenadines, Grenada, Trinidad, Tobago, and even some of that moisture being close to the ABC Islands. So there may have been some rain around. Let me know what's been going on for you, seeing that it's quite active in northern South America as well. Elsewhere through the Caribbean, there has been some rainfall today for sure, nothing very crazy or major. And here we're looking at our surface chart. So we can see these different atmospheric features, and the trough is represented by this orange broken line. So this is the symbol for a surface trough. So we've got more rise in air motion in some places due to this, which is what influences all that shower and thunderstorm activity that we tend to observe. Now, as it pertains to rainfall, this is throughout the rest of today and even going into tomorrow afternoon. This is what is expected by our Euro model. So there could certainly be some additional periods of heavy rain, especially for Trinidad and Tobago, even for northern Guyana, going towards Venezuela. ABC Islands, there may be an elevated chance of some rainfall for you guys. So some heavy rain certainly going to be possible. Not something that is regularly observed due to the location of the islands. It's typically dry. Matter of fact, this is the driest spot in the Caribbean. So there is definitely going to be that potential of some rainfall. Some scattered showers likely across parts of Central America, Panama, all towards the vicinity of Belize. As for Jamaica, the Cayman Islands, we've had some low-level clouds moving through, which have been helping to influence some inclement rainfall. That may continue for some areas headed into tomorrow, likewise for eastern Cuba. Even for southern Bahamas and the Turks and Caicos, there could be some showers loitering. Few showers possible around the vicinity of Hispaniola, as well as Puerto Rico, the Virgin Islands, and for much of the Lesser Antilles. So there's going to be some reduced rain within this general region here, but some additional downpours will certainly be possible. So that's what is expected, guys. Nothing very major. This is kind of the quiet time now, where we don't focus so much in terms of, like, for example, tropical cyclones and all that. No signs of that. We are certainly in our off season. And even talking a little bit more about that, this is a look at the sea surface temperatures. So the Caribbean is warm all year round, no surprises there. And we can see that being depicted here. Temperatures 27, 28, even some spots of 29 degrees Celsius. Things have definitely been cooling off in the Gulf, which really hasn't seen any major action in the 2025 Atlantic hurricane season. So things will continue to cool down and eventually start warming up in terms of these sea surface temperatures, especially as we head into spring. So go into March, April, May, and eventually towards the start of the 2026 Atlantic hurricane season. So that's what I wanted to bring to your attention in this evening's update video. Again, nothing too crazy. The significant feature is that surface trough in the Eastern Caribbean. So I will keep you posted on it. And if you have any questions, you can feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'll get to you when I can. And remember to always be weatherwise.